Happy December, everyone. So today, if you clicked onto this video, we are unkidding or unbagging.
Get it? Because it's a kit.
Kidding.
Ah!
Unbagging the Forever Fresh kit. And it's this guy right here.
Look how beautiful that is.
Yay.
Look at our
So
selection.
it comes with 4 sheet masks and it's only $8.90 a month.
Less than $10, guys.
Yes, it's less than $10 and it comes with 4 really great sheet masks. And yeah, it's a really great entry-level plan for people who are new to K-Beauty sheet masks and just want to try things out and don't really know like what they want. So here you go, we have it there for you.
We are so excited to introduce the first mask of the kit plan. Again, it is one of our masks.
Yay!
This is the Let's Talk Detoxifying mask. This is our 5th mask.
Our 5th mask that we created so far.
And the reason why we've been able to do this is because we have a really close relationship with our manufacturers and we've been preparing for this for so long. So, you know, you're probably like, how are they doing this? Now you know why.
Yes.
So this, a great detoxifying, purifying pore mask. The 3 main ingredients we really want to point out for this mask is charcoal powder, volcanic ash extract, and also soybean seed extract. Now, what's really good about volcanic ash and charcoal powder is it is able to grab onto the impurities like dirt and excess oil, and which is able to then help make your pores less visible because then you get all purified and detoxifying. Get it? Yeah. And so, but we also know that detoxifying masks and using these ingredients can get your skin to be dry. And so that is why the soybean seed extract is really good. So this helps rehydrate your skin and also makes sure to also treat signs of aging and just any like uneven skin tone, which is really good. Also, I really want to point out this mask fits very well to the face and it's very soft. It's a nice charcoal fiber. She's very soft, very nice, perfect, like a blanket on your face.
A nice warm blanket in the cold weather.
Winter time. Jingling. Also, my hat keeps jingling. Don't mind me.
Cute. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. So the very next mask that we have in this month's kit is we have the Masha Deer Mugwort mask. And I'll have Janice go ahead and open and show you guys the material of the mask. But this has a really interesting ingredient and it is mugwort extract. And this is really great at an anti-inflammatory properties to help calm and reduce acne or any skin irritations you may have. Also, it's really great for people who suffer with acne because it also has tea tree leaf oil, which is an antiseptic and anti-inflammatory property to help heal acne and restore the skin's natural oil balance. So this mask is also really great for people with irritated skin or aging skin too. So yeah,
it feels very soft.
Really soft. Ooh, it's really, really nice.
I know, I wish you guys could like reach in the screen.
Yeah, so this is a really great mask. Okay.
So the next mask we have is the Yada Vitalizing Mask Pack, and Yada is another one of our favorite brands to work with. And so this great mask will help strengthen and re-energize your skin. Some 2 ingredients that we want to point out is pomegranate fruit extract. Pomegranate is good with antioxidants like vitamin C, which is good to help treat sun damage and to just help treat your skin in general. Also, keep note, if you do use this in the morning, we suggest to we demand, we urge you to wear sunscreen after you put on this mask.
Definitely.
Another great ingredient is green purslane extract. Green purslane is actually a type of succulent for all you succulent lovers out there. Me!
Yay! Leave a like if you love succulents.
Yes!
Like I do.
I love succulents. I have them all over in my house.
Yeah, me too.
So this extract is a great antioxidant. It also helps to fight premature aging and is also very good to help treat any environmental damage. So it's really good. Also, very, very cool point is also this does not have any artificial fragrances, which is very cool because then it probably is really good for you sensitive skin types out there.
The final mask that we have in this month's plan is the Baroness Lily Flower Mask. And this mask, few things to note about it, it smells really, really good. And also it has non-sticky essence. I know a lot of people out there don't really like that sticky essence, and this one is really great for that. So this one has lily flower extract, which is a water retaining humectant that helps remove impurities and brightens dull skin. And also has, I know you guys know this ingredient, sodium hyaluronate, which is a great skin restoring, moisturizing ingredient that provides benefits for aging skin. So it's a great anti-aging mask. And yeah, you will not be disappointed with this one.
It's fun now.
Ooh, I love the smell. It smells like really nice perfume.
Yes.
But not too
Not
strong.
too much.
Yeah.
It's like when someone puts like the right amount of perfume.
Yes. Awesome. So that's all the masks in this month's kit. So go ahead and go to our site, FaceTory.com, and you could go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, that's it. Now we're going to go ahead and start with a few little updates. So I know you guys have been looking on all our social media and seeing that we have a very special one-time self-care box. And that is really, really cool because it has not only sheet mask, but also has foot mask, lip mask, sheet mask,
all kinds of things.
Yeah, hair
all
mask.
kinds of products. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's only $49.99, which is an
Amazing.
amazing deal because it's retail value for $136, but you save $80.
Yeah, and we talked about that one lip mask. It was like $40, and that's basically most of like the actual box itself. So you're getting a steal.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
So it's a really amazing deal, and it's a great gift for yourself, but also for a loved one too. So we really recommend that you go ahead and check that out. It's also on our website.
The second announcement is we have the Sugar Plum Gem Box Action Tube.
Look how beautiful.
This is actually the winter box that we had before, and it was one of our favorites, so we brought it back, as you can see from the background. For you FaceTory lovers from the beginning, from a year ago, we actually had a Sugar Plum Gem Box, and this box had perfect sheet mask. It's a one-time sheet mask box for the winter time. It's a really good holiday gift. It was really popular, and by high demand, we brought it back. But this time it's Act 2.
Yes.
You know, it's different.
Part 2.
So this great mask, you can purchase it down here in the description box. And though this is the perfect gift for your loved one, if you want to buy them a one-time sheet mask box, or if you want to just try some sheet masks from us, this is a good for you and for your loved ones.
It's great. Now, the third and final announcement we have today is that we collaborated with BeautyCon. Woohoo! So we collaborated with BeautyCon this month, and we created a box.
And this was an amazing opportunity. So if you guys don't know what BeautyCon is up to, they're up to fantastic stuff. They have created a BeautyCon pop, which is basically a walkthrough, like photo op area. There's some crazy rooms you can take pictures in. There's a Drake room. Guys, there's a Drake room. There's a Drake room. Be Drake.
Yeah, I think ice cream museum / color factory vibes.
But BeautyCon-esque.
Yes.
So what's really cool is they have a gift shop at this pop exhibition, and this is where you can buy our box. This is actually a special edition box. You can't buy it on any websites. It can only be purchased there. So take some pictures, go have some fun, and buy our special box.
Yes.
So that wraps up for this kit unboxing. We were so excited for you guys to join us this time. If you haven't already watched our Luxe unboxing, make sure to go and watch that right now. And we are so happy and we're so excited for this month. And let's say our little tagline, just keep glowing. Bye guys!